2 by 3. Next question. 2 by 3, 4 by 7. You can try please. 2 by 3, 4 by 7, 11 by 21, 16 by 31. 16 by 31. Okay, what can we do? Just I will try. This is plus 2, because we cannot do multiplication with 2, because 11 is not multiplication with 2. Okay, so I will go with another some logic. So plus 2, if I go with plus 3, then if it satisfies plus 4, here already plus 5 is there. Okay, if you see here, 4 plus 3 is 7, numerator 7, only option C is having numerator 7. I am confining with that answer. Then take the denominator, whether some logic is followed, we will try to check. Okay, now 3 plus 4, it is 7. If the denominator is 13, it is plus 6. After 13, it is plus 8. After 21, it is plus 10. There is some logic if denominator is 13. Okay, so the answer is option C. Answer is option C. You have logic both in numerator as well as denominator. Some logic is followed. So 7 by 13 is the answer. Okay, roughly you try. We cannot by heart all the problems, please. You have to put pen on paper. You may get different ideas, but answer will come correctly. Okay. Find the wrong term in the series. Find the wrong term in the series. Which is the wrong term? If you remember the squares, okay, tables, second table, 10th table, 12th table, like that. This is, I remember, 12 square. This is 11 square. This is 13 square. This is 14 square. But here 101 is not coming any square. Actually, it should be 10 square 100. But 101 is the wrong one. We have to find the wrong term in the series. All others are following some series except this 101. Okay. I am going to the answer is 101. I am going to the next problem. Find the wrong term in the series. Find the wrong term in the series. Wrong term in the series. Okay, if you remember, whenever you see 61, there is something called 64 and 27. These are cubes. Okay, these are cubes. And you have nearby 216 is 6 cube, 343 is 7 cube. Okay, something is there. 125 is 5 cube. Okay, and then this is 3 cube. 2 cube means 8. Okay, these are the numbers very close. These are the numbers very close to the given numbers. Okay, 27 exactly present. But here you can see 64 minus 3 is 61. And 125 minus 3 is 122. 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay, 216 minus 3 is 213. 343 minus 3 is 340. So only this 21 came as it is. So 21 is not following the logic. Actually, it should be 24. Minus 3 should come. Okay. So generally, if you observe, 61 is there, 122 is there. Okay. There you may get some doubt. 64 is nearby, 125 is nearby. 213, 340, if you are higher numbers, if we don't remember, at least 125, 64, we will remember. There is some logic, some hint over there. If you put pen on paper, write some things, okay, then you will come up with some logic. Finally, it satisfies. My answer is 27, and this is the pattern, same pattern followed. 27 is the answer. Okay. Now I have written already this ABCD up to Z. Okay. In the previous topic analogy also we used. I copied it from there. Now the letter series begin. Till now we have seen number series, some logic with the numbers. Now alphabets. Okay, letter series. Now this is letter series. We will try. What is the question mark? Okay, what is the question mark value? We have RUXAD. Then what is the next number? Okay, RUXAD. What is the next number? What is the next number? So in the alphabets, R is coming here, R. Then U means over here. Then X means over here. If you observe any logic, kindly try to get an answer. you have two alphabets skipped. Between R and U, two alphabets are skipped. Then between U and X, two alphabets are skipped. Then after X, it is coming with A. After Z, they are following the continuity from the beginning. Okay, Y and Z are skipped, so A is coming in the sequence. Then after A, B, C is skipped and D is coming in the sequence. Now you can tell two letters should be skipped and the third letter should be the answer. My answer is G. My answer is G. Okay. We cannot calculate all this in mind because A to Z letters are required. If it is in front of us, we can directly do some analysis and get the answer. But simply, directly, I don't know that two letters are skipped. Once I underline, I am getting that two letters are skipped. Okay, if we do the logic in mind, it takes more time. So better to write this immediately. Okay, the same thing may be useful for some more problems also. Whenever letter series is there, better to write at least once. Okay, at least once, then try with some logic with pencil, because again you can erase. If the same thing required for next question, we can use the same writing. Any doubts you can ask, otherwise I will go to the next problem. My answer is G. After leaving EF, two letters skipped. My answer is G. Any doubts, please? Okay, answer is G. I'm going to next problem. Kindly put in the chat box if you are getting answer. Kindly put in the chat box or unmute and tell me the answer. I'm going to next problem. The same writing I have copied here, but if you are doing on paper, use pencil to underline. And doing analysis, use pencil. Again, you can erase, use the same writing. U, B, I. Okay, U is here. U is here. Then I have B here. Then I here. Okay, after Z, again rotation, A, B, C, D. Okay, after I, it is P. Just to find out what is the logic followed. After U, 6 letters are skipped. V, W, X, Y, Z, and then A. 6 letters are skipped. B is the next letter. Again, 6 letters are skipped. I is the next letter. Then 6 letters are skipped. P is the next letter. Okay. Again, 6 letters are skipped. W is the next letter. When you skip next 6 letters, D will be the next letter. D will be the question mark replacement. D will be the question mark replacement. Okay. If I underline all the letters, it will be confusing. I have underlined only 3. You can observe what is the logic going on. Okay. After I, it is P, 6 letters are skipped. After P, it is W, 6 letters are skipped. So after W, again, we will skip 6 letters and I am getting answer as option, answer as D, which is available in option A. Okay, option A is the answer. I'm going to next question. I'm going to next question. Adventure. Adventure is the first letter. Second letter, okay, A is not there. D, venture. D, venture. Third letter, okay, last E is removed. D, venture. Last E is removed. Okay, what you are able to observe from first to second, okay, A is removed. From second to third, last one is removed. Okay, beginning letter is removed, last letter is removed. From third to fourth, okay, what should be done? From fourth to fifth, only when 2 is left out. Only when 2 is left out. Okay, so if you see, if I remove R, last letter, it is when 2. And from third to fourth, if I remove in the beginning, it is V-E-N-T-U-R. V-E-N-T-U-R. If I remove D, if I remove beginning letter D. Next, I will remove ending letter R. Okay, when 2 will come. So the fill up should be Ventur. Ventur, option C. Okay, option C is the answer. I'm going to next problem. I'm going to next problem. A, B, D, E, F. A, B, D, E, F. Okay, C is skipped here. C is not there. D, E, F means here 2 letters are present. 3 letters are present. 4 letters are present. So the answer should be 5 letters. Here 6 letters are present. Okay. Now after D, E, F, okay, after D, E, F, G is skipped. 1 letter is skipped. One letter is skipped. Then they are taking 4 letters continuously, H-I-J-K, H-I-J-K. Next we have to leave one letter. Next we have to leave one letter. Then take 5 letters together, M-N-O-P-Q, M-N-O-P-Q. Okay. After that, R should be skipped. R should be skipped. Then 6 letters are taken, S-T-U-V-W-X. It is satisfied. So M-N-O-P-Q, M-N-O-P-Q. So unless you write the alphabets, it is in front of you, we cannot find logic as soon as possible. Okay. And hence option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. I'm going to the next problem. Next problem. PMT, PMT, OOS. Let me check where is this PMT, OOS. So if you observe, I have one thing to say. Take the first letter P, O, N, M. Okay, P, O, N, M. In the alphabets on the top of the page, alphabets top of the page. So P, then O, then comes N, M. Okay, it is going in backward direction. So question mark, what is the next letter? It should be L. Backward direction means it should be L. Okay, first letter is going backward direction. So the next question mark should be first letter L. Next, I am going with second letters. I am going with second letters in the given question. M. Okay, after M, it is O. After M, it is O. After O, it is Q. Okay. After Q, it is S. Now you see here, after M, okay, it is going to O. After O, it is Q. Okay, one letter they are leaving. After Q, it is S. Then after S, leave one letter, it should be U. It should be U. L, U. Option A is having the answer. Option, I think cursor is pressed somewhere. Okay, L, U is the answer. Only option A is having that. So if you see the last one, last letter also, if you check the last letter also, what is the logic followed? So TSR, TSRQ, backward P. Okay, it is coming backward T, okay, T, S, R, Q. In the alphabets, it is T, S, R, Q. Next letter is P, backward direction. Okay, next letter is P. So LUP is the answer. LUP is the answer. Okay. This is about letter series. We have seen some questions on number series, some questions on letter series.